In this video, I'm going to show you how to create a PDF file on your Samsung mobile. So it's really easy to do, so let's go and jump straight into it. Now the first step is you need to go and open up the Play Store on your mobile. Once you're on the Play Store, click on the search box at the bottom of this page. You can then click on search and you need to go and search for Microsoft Lens and then you can press the search button. You'll then see this app called Microsoft Lens PDF Scanner. Click on this. And then click on the blue install button and just give that a few seconds while it goes and installs to your device. Once it's finished installing, you can click on the blue open button and you'll get a few pop-up notifications. Just make sure to click on allow all and then you can go through these steps. So we're going to click on start scanning, click on next, go in accept the terms and conditions and click on close. You'll get a couple more notifications. Just make sure to click on while using the app. And now we can begin creating our PDF document. So there's a couple of ways you can do this. You can either use the camera on your phone and you can go and take a picture of the document that you want to convert into a PDF. If you already have an image saved on your phone, you can also click on your gallery in the bottom left-hand side, and then you can actually select a photo or multiple photos that you already have saved. You can then click on the arrow in the bottom right-hand side. You can then click on review and edit, and then just click on finish. Now to go and convert this into a PDF, make sure all of these options are unchecked, and we're just going to select PDF, and then you can click on save. Now to actually go and locate this PDF document on your phone, let's head back over to the home screen and you need to go and open up your Files app. You can then click on Documents and you'll be able to see the PDF file that we just converted. So that's it guys, let me know in the comments if you found this video helpful.